Welcome back to the Fame Journey. Today, we're exploring a deeply disturbing case that raises questions about justice, abuse, and the lengths people will go to in their personal battles. We're talking about Catherine Kassenoff, a mother of three who took her own life in a Swiss suicide clinic, allegedly as a means of punishing her estranged lawyer husband. We'll dive into the chilling details of her life, the abuse she inflicted, and the aftermath of her dramatic decision. This story is complex and emotional, so please be advised that it includes sensitive content. Let's uncover the truth behind this tragic case. In May 2023, Catherine Kassenoff, a 54-year-old litigator from Westchester, made a shocking announcement on Facebook. She would be ending her life at a Swiss suicide clinic. This was not a spontaneous decision, but the culmination of a bitter and highly publicized custody battle with her estranged husband, Alan Kassenoff. Catherine's Facebook post revealed her intentions and detailed her grievances against Alan, whom she accused of abuse and mistreatment of her and their children. The abuse allegations. Catherine's claims of abuse were not just directed at her husband, but also at her own adopted daughter, Ally. Former nannies and caretakers came forward with disturbing stories. Kim Hull, who worked for the Kassenoff family in 2009, described how Catherine instructed her to keep baby Ally awake all day by dripping water on her head. Hull refused to follow this abusive directive and took Ally to a doctor upon noticing marks on her back. Celine Dublanchett, who joined the family in 2016, recounted how Catherine would lock Ally in the basement for hours as punishment and made her clean the garden alone in the winter. She also noted the unequal treatment between Ally and Catherine's biological children. Mylene Gry, another former nanny, claimed Catherine would scream at Ally, telling her she would never succeed in life. These accounts paint a picture of a woman who, despite her own suffering, inflicted severe emotional and physical abuse on her adopted daughter. The custody battle. Catherine's suicide was deeply intertwined with her legal struggles. Alan was awarded sole custody of their three daughters after a court determined it was in their best interest, given the circumstances of the case. The custody battle was fierce, with the court ultimately deciding that the children would be safer under Alan's care. In the aftermath, Catherine's decision to end her life was portrayed as a final act of defiance against her husband. She sought to leave behind a legacy of her suffering and to hurt Alan even in death. The Swiss Suicide Clinic. Catherine chose to end her life at Pegasos, a Swiss clinic known for providing assisted suicide services to those who are not terminally ill but wish to end their lives due to existential reasons. Dr. Colin Brewer, a UK-based psychiatrist, assessed Catherine's mental state and confirmed she was of sound mind to make this decision. He noted that her terminal cancer diagnosis was not the driving force behind her decision, but rather her deep sense of injustice and mistreatment by her husband. The fallout and public reaction. Catherine's suicide sparked a flurry of activity online. TikToker Robbie Harvey began sharing videos of Catherine's Facebook posts, which included disturbing clips of Alan berating her and their children. These videos went viral, leading to intense public scrutiny of Alan and putting his law practice under immense pressure. Alan responded by suing Harvey for defamation, claiming the videos led to severe emotional and financial damage. The lawsuit, which sought $150 million in damages, was settled for an undisclosed sum. Reflections on the case. The Kassenoff case reveals the darkest aspects of human conflict. Catherine's dramatic end was a desperate attempt to manipulate the situation and hurt her estranged husband. The abuse of Ally and the intense legal battle show how personal disputes can escalate into tragedies. Resources for help. If you or someone you know is struggling with thoughts of suicide or self-harm, it's important to seek help. You can reach out to the National Suicide Hotline at 988 for support and resources. This case is a reminder of the severe impacts of unresolved conflicts and personal struggles. It's a story of pain, manipulation, and the extreme lengths people might go to when they feel cornered. We hope this video has shed light on the complexities of this tragic situation. Thank you for joining us on the fame journey. If you found this story insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on high-profile cases and the lives of those in the spotlight.